will be assigned to handle those initial calls. They will ask some questions and then meet with, maybe they'll put you on hold. This has happened to me personally as a paralegal who was injured, and put you on hold to talk to the attorney about what info you've given them. Is there a case? And they will sometimes make a very determined decision there that there is no case, that it is not a type of case they want to handle. If they are interested, and I call that a pre-intake, then if they are interested, they'll have you set up an appointment and you go in, meet with the attorney. That will be called a consultation, where they can go into more depth about what you experienced. Now, I'm talking in this video just about personal injury or automobile accident type of law, or other injuries, maybe where you've broken a bone in a public place. You've broken a bone in a public place and you want to find out if you have a lawsuit. So the next step, if they decide to take your case, is client intake, where they will sit down and take all that information that they received during the consultation, but they may need to, and that most assuredly will have to go into more depth with deeper questions to get to the gist of the matter and have all the information they need in order to draft a complaint and file it with the court. Okay, so that's client intake, getting all the information, but it can be in the form of pre-intake. It can be during a consultation where the attorney's not sure if it's something he or she will handle. After all, see, they're running a business. This is always business, and they have to decide. They have to be really sure that they have a shot at winning your case, okay? So, and number two, what we do is heavy document management. That could be the hard copies of documents, paperwork, or it could be managing everything on the computer so that it's easy to find and it's set up in a certain way. And there are client folders and subfolders and so much involved with that. And if there's more than one paralegal in the firm, usually there's a set way things are organized, or there should be. Okay, so that's number two. Okay, number three, how the actual files on the computer and the hard files are set up. Now, the attorneys have great input in that because they may want it set up in a certain way, but there's a similar way that law firms set up files, where we'll have an expandable folder, and those are the hard copies, and we'll put in a correspondence, we'll put in a pleading folder if you're in a firm that does trial work. We will do discovery folder, we'll have maybe a separate expandable for depositions. The next thing is calendaring, where we put all the important dates that we receive normally from the court, or if we set up a deposition, we set a motion, we schedule a hearing, all those dates have to go on the calendar. Number 5 is document creation, or what we say is drafting. We create documents from scratch, okay? And number 6, and is a very important one, we try to keep things very organized and on track and keeping everybody calm. Well, that is it for today. It's a short video, but I wanted to share that with you today. Have a great day. Don't forget, the Paralegal Inner Circle class is open for registration now. I will put the link below when I'm done with this video, and I will talk to you in the next live. Take care.